Okay, in our last example for this section, we're going to find out if given side lengths will give us three types of triangles: an acute triangle, a right triangle, or an obtuse triangle. The things that you need to know is the Pythagorean theorem. That's all you really need to know here, okay? We have a right triangle if your a squared plus b squared equals your c squared. Here are the two other conditions. We will have an obtuse triangle if our c squared is larger, greater than our a squared plus b squared. And then we will have an acute triangle if your c squared value is less than your a squared plus b squared. So let's go ahead and see for this value. Okay, so 4.3, 5.2, and 6.1. Remember, your hypotenuse is always, in a right triangle, will always be the longest length. What is the longest length here? It is 6.1. So this is our C value, and it doesn't really matter which one is your A or your B value. So now let's go ahead and substitute these. A squared will be 4.3 squared plus B squared, 5.2 squared, gonna equal C squared, 6.1 squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happens here. Well, 4.3 squared, I have no idea what that is, so let's go ahead and use a calculator. 4.3 squared will give us 18.41. Sorry, 18.40. Why am I saying wrong numbers today? 18.49 plus 5.2 squared, 27.04 equals 6.1 squared, which is 37.21. So if the left side equals the right side, we have a right triangle, okay? All right, so let's add these values up together. 18.49 plus 27.04 equals, 45.53. So it doesn't equal 37.21. So we know that it is not a right triangle. I don't know. Is that the correct symbol? Who cares? Not a right triangle. Let's see. Is it going to be obtuse? Well, it is obtuse if our c squared value is greater than our a squared plus b squared. Well, this one is our a squared plus b squared, and this is our c squared. Oh, it is not obtuse because c squared is less than our a squared plus b squared. So that means that this triangle, c squared, this triangle will be an acute triangle then, because the c squared value is less than 45.53. See, it's less than. Well, 45.53 is greater than, which means that 37.21 is less than, okay? So we will have a, we will have an acute triangle. Yay. Okay. I always suggest, like, feel free to always draw it out. All right, so there's like 4.3, 5.2, 6.1, and then just find out if it's one of the three. Okay, that's it. Bye.